Small chat is pretty much an inevitable part of social encounters, whether we enjoy it or not. It's quite difficult to get through the day without running across someone in a social situation that calls for a little lighthearted banter to keep things amicable. Even if it can't be avoided, many people still find it difficult to make small conversation on a regular basis, especially those who have more introverted personality types. Due to their introversion, Sigma male frequently find it difficult to handle the demands of small chat. Surface-level politeness might frequently appear phony, superficial, or dull to them because of their lone wolf mentality and propensity for deep and meaningful communication. However, there are some strategies that Sigma male can employ to help make things simpler, which is why we're going to discuss some strategies for handling small chat as a Sigma male. A foundation, there are several fundamental communication rules that, while they may seem a little apparent when it comes to small talk, may really change the way you come across. Making minor adjustments to one's posture and body language can provide introverts a huge boost of internal and external confidence when making small talk. 1. Relax. Small chat is fundamentally a light and informal conversation. Even though it may cause some worry, it shouldn't be viewed as stressful or having a significant impact. The greatest way to strike up a conversation is to just unwind and let yourself be at ease. Take a few deep breaths, straighten up, and let the tension leave your body. Simply unwinding physically will help both you and the person you're chatting with feel more comfortable. 2. Maintain gaze. You'd be shocked at how many people actually need to hear this advice. It might seem almost too apparent. When chatting to someone with whom they are not entirely at ease, introverts frequently avoid their sight. The chat may cause some guys in particular to lose focus and let their gaze wander. It's easy but effective to stay grounded and in the present by keeping this in mind and making sure you maintain eye contact. 3. Pay attention carefully. The ability to actively listen is one of the most crucial lessons to learn when it comes to good communication. Being fully present with the person you're speaking to is demonstrated by an engaged listener, and their apparent interest inspires you to continue the conversation. It's important to focus on what your partner is saying while tuning out other distractions like side chats and bystanders. Giving brief confirmations, such as nods or affirmations of understanding, such as right, aha, and I see, are simple methods to demonstrate active listening. 4. Maintain a cordial tone. Small chat is meant to be a light, amicable conversation that serves as a social lubricant and facilitates getting along with others. Avoiding turning casual conversation into a hostile or antagonistic exchange is essential if you want to achieve your goals. When it comes to small chat, it's better to hold off on going right into rebuttals, even if you absolutely disagree with the person you're speaking to. It's sometimes best to just listen and reserve your disagreements for a more in-depth and worthwhile exchange. 5. Use your inherent curiosity. For the most part, small chat is conducted at a surface level, which tends to bore Sigma males. They may find it particularly challenging to concentrate on the conversation and give it their whole attention as a result. However, Sigma male have a natural curiosity that they might utilize to their advantage when chit-chatting. One of the key ways that Sigmas can use the characteristics that typically make them lone wolves as effective social tools is to learn to channel their innate Sigma interest into every conversation, no matter how deep. 6. Make inquiries. Asking questions, a key component of every excellent small talker, is made much simpler by channeling natural curiosity. Asking questions promotes active listening and active participation with your companion. By making them feel valued and intriguing as a result of your interest in them, asking them questions also has a subtle but effective influence on making your spouse like you. Deepen the discussion. The Sigma male would still want to continue a conversation even though there are some basic rules of engagement that can help any social setting go more smoothly. The Sigma male can benefit from knowing how to discreetly move conversations that start as small talk to a place of greater depth and meaning. Little talk doesn't always have to stay small. Sigmas can do this to elevate even the most surface-level talks to the level of in-depth discussion and participation they desire. to advance the discussion.